Hey there, dear customers, dear subscribers. In this video, we are going to examine a large, powerful and updated IP dashcam that provides enhanced features for recording.
Standard for a maximum of 64 cameras.
Model ISON-NVR64PN, produced 80 hours, updated every 2-3 hours. Made by ISON, gets updated regularly every 2 or 3 years. And here we have a video review of the update from 2023. As usual, it comes with everything.
The registration, here comes the mouse control.
Our registrar can support up to 8 hard drives. We also have separate SATA cables dedicated for this purpose. There's also a power plug here. The power supply here is already built in. This registrar here supports all types of cameras. Supports cameras with motion sensors, is able to organize recording based on motion detection, supports PTZ cameras with sound recording, pan tilt zoom, which can be controlled with built-in zoom. And one of the primary distinctions of this dashcam is that it is capable of handling crucial loads. And it supports all cameras simultaneously at maximum resolution with maximum bitrate. Is there a typical problem with this kind of dashboard cameras? Big on 64H32 chip. Pros know most models sold, you buy, install, start connecting to critical load, that is, over 30 cameras simultaneously in market. More than 30 cameras can be connected. At max res, it can have up to 8 MP, You have a couple of cameras under critical load, they start to drop in bitrate.
No problem exists here.
Here, all cameras, all 64 of them, can be connected at 12 megapixels, 8 megapixels, 5 megapixels, doesn't matter. You'll have all the cameras with you. It's displayed in maximum resolution with maximum bitrate, with the max FPS, meaning the number of frames per second. Alright, on the front panel we see
you have 2 USB ports.
You can conveniently connect a mouse or flash drive here to reset the information. There are also 4 indicator lights here. This is the power indicator lamp, the HDD indicator lamp, the internet indicator lamp, and the cloud indicator lamp if connected.
So if these bulbs are blinking, it means everything is fine, it means nothing at all.
No issues with these blocks. If not on fire, accordingly this block is inoperative.
So on the flip side here, we see the trails for connecting alarm inputs and outputs if there is a need for it. Analog inputs for connecting a microphone in the event that you possess an old analog microphone on your premises and are able to connect it. Although here the registrar supports cameras with a built-in microphone and cameras with a microphone input. So this is a more modern, higher quality way of recording sound at your facility. eSATA is also used to connect a hard drive. There are 2 HDMI ports for connecting a monitor or computer. You can connect 2 at the same time. We also sell splitters that allow you to connect a large number of monitors through these splitters if needed.
There is a need for a VVA connector for connection.
If you want to view it on old analog monitors,
in the best quality, like in 4K for instance,
I suggest connecting via HDMI USB port and also using another one for a mouse or flash drive. There are 2 LAN ports for internet or network connection, a power port and a power switch.
Now let's take a look at the menu for controlling the DVR. The system offers us to choose a language. Here all popular languages are supported. Next, enter the password for all ISON-NVR63PN dashcams. Here we need to check the time to make sure it matches your current one. Click on next. These are the IP settings of the DVR itself. You need them if you plug it directly into the network. Here will be the IP settings of all the cameras that are connected to the recorder. Next, all connected hard drives will be displayed. The system suggests changing password, setting security questions for better data protection. We won't do that now. Press exit. Here we can see the immediate display of all cameras. The registrar supports displaying all cameras at the same time. 64 pieces. Most registrars don't have such an option. Usually they show 16 at a time. Right click. Here you have the option to choose, for instance, if you do not require 64, but you do need a reduced number of cameras. Here you have the option to choose the display. Furthermore, you can click here to access the main menu. There are a lot of different functions and settings here. The main buttons are located at the top. I will demonstrate the basics that you may find useful.
This is the window that provides a view.
Click here to view the archive. Select the camera on the left side. Choose a date on the calendar. Here they show the whole day. Click here if you want to reset the information to the flash drive. Also remove the date, time and camera. Here, for example, you can update video reg. See you later.